Obtaining up-to-date satellite data imagery of my hometown in Melbourne, Australia at a resolution of better than 1 metre is actually very simple.
I can obtain it from Maxar at a cost of between $20 to $23 per square kilometre, depending on if I want it on my iPhone or my Android. At an area of 5.7 square kilometres for my hometown Hawthorn, this adds up to between $115 to $130. This data is up to date and is in a commercially usable format.
But if you're smart and your time is worthless, you can actually extract commercially viable satellite imagery at a resolution better than 1 metre completely for free from Google Maps using only Python and a little bit of command prompt. Here's how. First we go to Google Earth Pro and locate the area that we want to obtain an image of, in this case Hawthorn. We then use the historical imagery tool to make sure the data is up to date. In this case we can see it was collected on the 13th of the 5th. Not great, but not terrible. We then take a screenshot of the desired area. If we were going to map the whole of Hawthorn, we would stitch together these screenshots in Paint or Illustrator or some similar program. But in the interest of time, we will only be using a single screenshot as an example. We then use the pip command to install the pillow library in Python. This is very important as it allows us to extract the RGB values from our pictures that we are analyzing. Once we have successfully imported the pillow library, we can use the notepad as a VIM to write a crappy image analysis script. All we have to do is to make sure that we have successfully and accurately put the image file path here, and then we can return the RGB values of the image as well as the RGB values for any pixel within that image.
It's tedious and boring. The age of the data is suspect. It's needlessly complicated. Don't you have any respect for the value of your own time, doll?
In response to those comments, I have two things to say. One, it's bloody free, what do you want? And secondly, in the words of Frank Sinatra, I did it my way. Till next time, good night.
And now, the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain.